YouTube, what is good? I am back with a brand new video. Here today we are back with a brand new beat tutorial. I'm going to be doing breakdown on how you create those kin acronym inspired beats, and we'll go through that today. Again, check out my 1K kit down in the bottom. It'll be in the description here. This 1K kit has some loops that I personally created within that sound that we're going to be talking about today. Just more of that glow and rage inspired sound that is becoming really trendy right now. It's only $5. Please support the channel, subscribe, drop a like, comment. It really helps me out and it lets me know to keep doing these videos because they are informational and helping someone out here. So let's get into the video. All right. Pretty much already got the vibe right here. It's like what I came up with. Just something quick that I could just like pretty much demonstrate what I was talking about. But then we're gonna pretty much just build on top of that. I got some different pulsating sounds and different things like that. I'm just kind of just play with and see what comes out. See, this is what I was talking about, like just like pulsating sounds, just add more texture to it as we go on. That's simple. That's simple. All I have to do is just literally follow what I do. Alright, so I pretty much got the melody done. I'm gonna go ahead and play it real quick. Check this out. Alright, now I'm just gonna go ahead and arrange this real quickly and start adding some drums on, and then we can finish this beat up. Pretty much just want to keep a consistent bounce with it, and I already have an idea on what I want to do with the drums here, so it'd be pretty much simple. there you have it. Just pretty much cooked up a quick little beat and just wanted to do another tutorial, bring on some more daily content to this channel. I appreciate everybody who's been supporting me on my original video. I would ask you to please drop a like on this video, leave a comment, and suggest more content that you want to see from me, or different beats or different prods you may want to see type beat tutorials on, or different things like that. Definitely follow me on my Instagram. That's where I post a lot of like my current updates, or like whenever new kits are dropped. I have free loot kits on that link. Also, I have free kits there too. So if you do not have the money, which I understand because it's a hard time right now for everyone, I would just personally appreciate it if you got any of the free loops there. They are there for you for that reason. But thank you again for supporting me. Subscribe, drop a like on the channel, and stay tuned for more content. I appreciate you. You have a great day. Stay blessed. Thank you.